Have you noticed how life loves to throw rocks in your path? Well, Stoicism is basically the art of not tripping over them, or at least tripping with style. Back in ancient Greece and Rome, the Stoics already knew the world was chaos. So they thought, if I can't control traffic, the economy, or my neighbor blasting music at 3 a.m., at least I can control my reaction. And that's the heart of Stoicism. You don't control what happens, but you control how you react. It rains on your wedding day. A Stoic says, perfect, less heat for the guests. You lose money in the stock market. A Stoic replies, at least I learned a cheap lesson. Your bus is late. Stoic answer, more time to reflect on life or scroll memes. But wait, it's not about turning into a robot with no emotions. It's about not being a slave to emotions. Anger, fear, anxiety, they're all there, but you decide if they run your life. The good part? You stay calmer, suffer less over nonsense, and stop wasting energy on what's out of your control. The downside? Taken too far, you might look a little cold. Like that friend who hears I just broke up and replies, hey, everything passes. Yeah, not super helpful. In the end, Stoicism is like a mental shield. Life will hit you, but you choose whether you fall crying or get up laughing at the punch. So tell me, do you think you could be Stoic today? Or will you start cursing in traffic at the first car that cuts you off? If you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Next video? Maybe how to stop caring so much about what people think. That is, if you don't have an anxiety attack before then.